How to add drawings on iMovie. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add drawings to your iMovie project. Let's get started. First, remember that iMovie app is not available for Android device, so on your MacBook, iPhone or iPad, click on search bar and open iMovie app. Now firstly, you need to create your drawing using any app like Procreate, Paint or even your phone's drawing tool. Save it as a PNG or JPEG file. Now open your iMovie project and simply drag and drop your drawings image into the media library and then into the timeline. You can move the drawing on a screen, resize it or place it where it fits your video. If it has transparent background, it will blend perfectly. For more control, click on the image, go to the video overlay settings and choose picture in picture to animate or position your drawing creatively. And that's it. This is how you add drawings in iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.